everybody, it's Sharmel. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with the hair review and a slight mini tutorial on my hairstyle. So if you want to see more, please stay tuned. I did do a new set of goddess locks. I haven't done a goddess lock tutorial in a while, and this set of goddess locks I used the Refinery kit. This is not a sponsored video. I did purchase this kit with my own money because I wanted to. I did spend my own money, my coins on this hair, so everything I'm saying is how I 100% feel. See, but I purchased the Gold Goddess Lock style package, and if you don't know, they basically sell whole goddess lock kits, so you don't have to buy the pieces individually. It comes with the whole set. It comes with all the braiding hair, it comes with the tools, and it comes with charms and jewels as well. So like I said, I got the Gold Goddess Lock style package, and so it included human hair blend, the Brazilian Wave Braiding Hair, and I got a total of 6 bundles. So it's 2 bundles of 18 inches, 2 bundles of 20 inch, and then 2 bundles of the 22 inch. And then I also received 4 packages of the Afro Twist, and that's the hair that you use to wrap around your braids. I got the one that came already fluffed, so you can get a style, so it either comes fluffed or it comes in the ringlets. I got the style that was already fluffed, so I wouldn't have to tease the hair to make it fluffy on my own. Yeah, then it came with the crochet needle, a comb, 3 duck clips, 3 hair ties, and then which charm? These charms right here. So a pack of those. So yeah, I did use pretty much all of the braiding hair, so pretty much all 6 bundles I have. This is all the hair I have left from the wavy bundle, so I pretty much used all of the hair for the braiding. And then as far as the hair for the wrapping, I honestly thought I wasn't gonna have enough, but I have like a full bundle left. So I have all of this and this from the other bundle that I already opened. So you definitely get more than enough hair. My parting is also really small, so surprisingly I had enough hair to do all of this. It's really full. It's a lot fuller than I normally do them. I got my package came with a mix of 1B and 2, and I paid a total of $126 for it. Shipping was pretty average. It took about a week to get to me, so not super fast, but not super long either. So yeah, that's all the details on my hair. Disclaimer, the method that I use is the most time consuming method, but I personally like this method the best. Yeah, it's gonna take time. This time it took me a week to finish my install. That's the longest it's ever taken me, primarily because of the holidays, and I just did not have enough time to just sit and just do my hair. I had a lot going on because of the holidays, so it did take me a week to finish it. I did like my crown and just was wearing it in a bun for a little bit, but I love the end results. This hair, as far as the hair that you use to twist, it is very textured and kinky-ish. I've used softer textures. I used softer textures in the past to achieve this style. The softer textures, they look really nice, but you do have a lot of slipping, and just working with the hair is a little more difficult. I like this texture more. I wrap faster with this texture. They stay put with this texture, and it definitely looks like it has a lot of fuzz, but you know, it gives it a nice natural look. As far as the ends go with the wavy hair, and they do have a package where you can get like full human hair. It is, however, more expensive, so I just went with the premium blend, so it's not human hair, so I'm pretty sure that these ends will get frizzy after a while. They're actually already starting to frizz up after a week, but it is what it is. Like, it's not human hair, and so I don't expect them to be like shiny and super silky for a long time. And because the wrapping hair is so textured and kinky, I'm not really worried about this hair, you know, getting a little frizzy. I did add some extra charms. Have these little feathers that I purchased at my local beauty supply. I have like the little gold wraps. I think I have something else in here too. Oh, I have one of these little things. Yeah, I got a lot going on. The length is like the perfect length. So the way I did it is I started with the 22 at the bottom, 22 at the bottom, 20 in the middle, and the 18 on top, and it gives you this nice like naturally layered type of look. And the 22 inches is like the perfect length, so just grazes like my hip bone, not even my hip bone, but like my waist. But yeah, that's all I got. I just want to come and show you guys my new set of goddess locks. I did them small because I'm going to attempt to keep them in for like 6 to 8 weeks. That is a very long time for me. You guys know I change my hairstyle really often. So I did them really small because I wanted to keep them in for a long time. So I'm hoping that I make it. But yeah, this is it. Let me know what you guys think down below. Definitely check out the Curl Refinery. I think it's a great kit, very affordable for what you get, and it's great for beginners if you don't know where to start or what kind of hair you want to purchase. It comes all together. This isn't the only kit that they have. They do have other packages with different textures, so definitely check them out if you guys are interested in doing goddess locks. But yeah, stay tuned for this mini tutorial, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. So first we're going to start with a quick recap of everything that comes in this package. So I got 4 bundles of the Afro Twist Wave Hair, and again I got the bundles that are pre-fluffed, and I got them in a color 1B and in a color 2, and they're pretty full, as you can see. I'm not sure the length, but once you unravel them, they're pretty long. Next, moving on to the bundles, I got 6 bundles of the Human Hair Blend Brazilian Wave. I received 2 bundles of the 22 inch, 2 bundles of the 20 inch, and then 2 bundles of the 18 inch. And again, the hair is a mix between 1B and the color 2, so I have about so in each length I have a color of each one. And then you get a little kit of styling utensils. So I got a crochet needle, a rat tail comb, a packet of charms. I got the gold ones. You can choose between gold and silver, 3 hair ties, and 3 hair clips. And again, my total was $126. Now, to make this process a little easier, I do pre-section my hair beforehand, so this is how it looks. And then I'm just going to start and just do my hair in singles. So all those pre-section twists, I'm just going to add braids to. And here it is, my head with all of the 22 inch. So this is how I layered the different lengths. So in the back and along the sides, I have the 22 inch. And now this is how it looks with the 20 inch added. So again, just kind of going from like temple to temple, I did the 20 inch. And then after that, I filled in the rest with 18 inches. And again, I used most of the braiding hair. And now I'm going to show you guys how I wrap the hair. So now the Afro Twist hair, it comes in these like clumps. And so I split each clump into about 3 pieces. And one thing about this hair that makes it a little hard to work with when you get the pre-fluffed is it does get pretty tangled. So that's one con when you get the pre-fluffed hair, but I just go ahead and cut off any of those stringy pieces that kind of get in the way. So I'm going to do the latch hook method. So I'm going to start with the crochet needle, and I'm just going to stick it through the base of my braid. And then because the hair is already fluffed out, it's kind of hard to loop it. So I kind of twist it to create my own loops, and then I just attach it to the hook and pull it through. So, and you don't need to tie it or knot it at the root. It's up to you. This hair is so like thick and textured that you really don't need to loop it at the root. So I just kind of pull it straight through, and then I attach my shorter end to my braid, and then I just go ahead and wrap the hair on down till I get to the bottom. So yeah, it's pretty simple. I do have other tutorials if you want a more in-depth tutorial on how to do this. I will link it in this video, but this is just kind of showing you guys how a quick install. So yeah, like I said, this kinky twist hair, honestly, you don't even have to do the latch hook method if you're not comfortable with it. I normally don't, but I know a lot of people told me that the latch hook method prevents slippage. So that's why I tried it this time. But this hair is so coarse that I did a couple without looping it or, you know, crocheting the hair, and I didn't have any slippage at all. So you honestly don't have to do it with this textured hair because it pretty much stays put. So now that I get to the bottom, like my rest of my tutorials, I'm going to seal it with some nail glue. And that is pretty much it. And one of the pros with crocheting the hair is that it's really flexible off top. As you can see, I'm pretty much able to move it and it doesn't hurt. It's not as tight. So now I'm just going to show you guys how I style my hair. I'm going to start with doing my edges per usual. I do have a full video dedicated to different edge controls that I use, so I'll link that in this video as well if you are curious on how I lay my edges. And yeah, I pretty much like to style my hair like to the side, so that's what I'm going to do here. As I mentioned in the beginning, it's really full. I did not intend on my install being this full, and I don't mind it per se, but it is a little harder to style because it's more braids. So yeah, I'm just kind of pinning it to the side and getting it to flow how I like it, and that is pretty much it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, this hair is from the Curl Refinery, and I got the Gold Goddess Lock style package. If you're interested in this package, I will leave all the details down below for you guys to check out, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.